So guys, for this video guys, kakabit tayo ng rectifier ng 6015. So guys, rectifier guys. Yung luma, ito yung bago guys. Yun, bago. Kakabit natin dito. Guys, sundan nyo lang guys ha. Ano guys, kakyan natin ng fibra guys. Yun, lagyan natin ito guys. Yan. Dapat itong guys, itong tatlo na to, dito yan sa stator. Dito yan yung connection ganyan guys oh. Yun, dyan, nakainang yan dyan. Tatlo na yan, kabit muna natin to ha. Okay. Nice. Tingnan natin guys kung gumana. Yun. Ito yung ground, ito yung positive. Output ng voltage. Yun. Guys, so. Ayos na guys. Thank you.